Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, this little character, this bird character, is actually from Marvin the Martian. You might not know it, but if you do, that's exciting because very rare do people know about it that I've talked to at times. Anyways, so if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step.